Hello there, Sagittarius. Welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be your reading for this November 1st to the 15th. Okay, so if you've been following my channel, you would know how I do these readings. First, I look at the current situation or the current energy, and basis that, I'll be looking at the outcome that you can expect in the coming 15 days. So while watching this, also remember this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with you. So please take what resonates and leave what does not. Alright, so let's see what's going on with you currently. A little tip, if you see that the current situation is resonating with you, then pretty much the outcome will also resonate with you. Okay? Let's see what's going on with you currently. What's going on with you currently, Sagittarius? Judgment. Page of Pentacles. Ten of Swords. Nine of Pentacles. It's a beautiful card. Your problematic days are going, or they've already gone. I think you're stepping into a very financially abundant phase of your life. Financially, stability, whatever you want to call it. You're just moving in that direction where things seem to be very stable for you now. And it's like a moment of epiphany for you, where you knew that this phase would come. Somewhere at the back of your mind you knew. I'm also seeing a small offer come your way. Now, this offer could be a new sort of an inspiration, a new sort of guidance for you, which will help you become a better person, a better individual. Okay? I'm also seeing that if you'd been feeling very lonely, that loneliness is also slowly going. But yeah, I see you stepping into a better space slowly. And I think you've done a lot of hard work for that, on yourself, on what you want, the goals, ambitions, all of that part. You've done your bit. So I see things falling into place. You're getting into that energy, or you already feel that energy. I'm seeing. Okay? So if this resonated, let's see what you can expect in the coming 15 days. Sag, let's see what you can expect in the coming 15 days. Okay, there are a lot of cards. The Hierophant, Four of Wands, and Queen of Cups. stability, moving towards it. Just keep trusting your intuition, and you are doing that. I'm seeing something stabilizing in your life. Now you would know whichever part of your life felt unstable, whichever part that was, now that part is feeling stable. You will be feeling much better and very much happier now. Okay, and it is because you're listening to your inner voice, you're listening to yourself, you're letting yourself grow, you're not sticking to old ideas, you're actually shedding things as and when need be. Okay, and that is what the universe likes, and that's exactly what you're doing. Okay, I am seeing probably an offer of marriage, commitment come your way in the next 15 days. If this is to do with your love life, definitely someone's in love with you, and this person is going to offer a commitment and stability. So now remember, it's like it can't be just a one way traffic. You have definitely aligned yourself in this energy, and that's why it's come here. So you should pat yourself on the back that yes, you've done this. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing. Now let me just see an advice for you in these 15 days. Advice for you in the coming 15 days. There you go. Come together. Magic stream. Okay. And intention. Okay, I think just start journaling a bit more if you're not doing it, because I do feel you're already doing it. Just start journaling more. You'll get closer to what you truly want. Okay? And I'm seeing definitely a love life situation of something where you will just suddenly see things in a much more brighter perspective, or you will be able to gauge it better. You will see a very happy side now. I think in the next 8 days, all right, the coming 8 days from whenever you're watching this, you will feel love. You will feel the emotions very strongly. And as you feel, I would want you to keep writing it so that your feelings and whatever it is, your intentions, your goals, they become better with time. All right? And you are moving towards the happy thing that you always wanted. All right, Sagittarius, that's what I have for your zodiac reading. I hope this resonates. It's a beautiful reading. Let me know in the comments. And private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. Also, guys, I have 2 pages on Instagram. You can check them out. The links are there in the description box. So you can reach out. You can follow that page if you like daily energy check-ins. All right? Take care, and I shall talk to you soon. Bye.